How to reset your Wire Messenger password. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Are you on Wire Messenger and need to reset your password? If yes, let's go ahead and do it right away. First, open the Wire Messenger app on your device, and in the first interface, you'll be asked to provide your email or SSO code. I'm gonna type in my registered email for Wire. Go ahead and type down your email correctly. Make sure to type down your own email and tap Next. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter the password for your Wire account. Simply go to the bottom under the Next button, tap on Forgot Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this website where you need to enter your email once again. Go ahead and write it down correctly and click on Reset Password. You'll receive a link sent to you via email, so go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. Open the email from Wire, click on Reset Password inside it. Select any web browser, and on the next page, enter a new password you want to change to. Finally, click on Reset Password. Now get back to the Wire Messenger app and log in with your new password. In the Enter Password tab, enter the new password that you just changed to, and then click on Next. And there you have it. You'll then be able to get back to your Wire Messenger account, and your password has been reset. So that's how you successfully reset your Wire Messenger password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.